One Slide. My name is Leslie, and today we are going to do the Chucky, Ultimate Chucky action figure. My husband and I saw this figure in the store and we had to pick it up because my daughter is a huge Chucky fan, even though I hate Chucky. But I'm going to go ahead and do this review anyways so that you guys can see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get it. All right, so here is the front of the box. So it's in wrapping paper, so it's the Christmas edition, holiday edition one. There's the side, and there's the back, and there's the other side. All right, and when we open it up, you got Chucky with a chainsaw. And then here you go. Here is what is inside of it. So let's get it open and we'll look a little closer at it. Okay, so let's go ahead. There's the good guy, the two different heads that it has, and the Santa hat will go on both of them. All right, and then you have your sweater, which velcros in the back, so easy access to put it on him. As you can see, I'm going to keep it off of him so we can do the review of the rest of it. So you have a Chucky mug with some hot cocoa in it. The hot cocoa does not come out. Then you have a glass of milk. The milk does not come out. Then you have a plate of cookies. And a cookie on a small cookie with a bite taken out of it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Let me grab the box real quick so you can see it a little better. There you go, because it's kind of skin toned. And there's your plate of cookies. You got 4 other hands for Chucky, because the other one has a blood splatter on it, so it has the other hand, so he can hold. That one has blood splatter too, but oh shoot! So it has more blood splatter on it. It all depends on how you want to, how much blood you want on him. So it does look like this is the mug holding hand. So we can actually hold that mug. He does not have a hand where he can hold his glass of milk, so that is a flaw there. He does have his glasses. I am Butterfingers today. That hat does come off, just so you know. There we go. And then his knife. And then his chainsaw, which I believe you have to use these hands to hold the chainsaw. Yep. So, all right, and then he's got clear lenses too, so before, after. Makes sense. And then you have a little piece of paper in here that is looks like the naughty list. All right, okay, and here is the figure. So you got the Chucky head. He's got the Santa hat that covers up the blood on his face. So you can wear it either way. And then you have his good guy. He's in his good guy outfit. And he's got blood all over his arms, all over his back. He's got his little tennis shoes on. He is easily bendable out of the box. So, but I would still heat him up. He does look like a nice figure. This is the time in the episode where we will, as the smash our pass part of it, I am going to go ahead and pass this because I am not a Chucky fan, but I did buy it because my daughter loves Chucky. I don't know why, but, and my husband loves him too. So I would pass on this one, but they would probably smash on it because of all the accessories that he has in it and the fact that he has a bloody head and a way to make sure that he doesn't look bloody. So if you want photos with him before he's bloody and after he's bloody, you have that. It is a nice contrast. The things I do not like is the fact that he cannot hold his milk cup, but he can hold his coffee cup with a little maneuvering. You really don't have any blood on the chainsaw, so how is he bloody and the chainsaw is not? So I will say that. But with that being said, that is all I have for you today. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe it. Also, this channel is not just a toy review channel. It is a helping you with tips and tricks for your books. So if you have any, if you know somebody or are planning on writing a book, that our channel will help you go through the ins and outs of writing a book or in the process of a publisher or self-publishing. With that being said, I hope you have a great day or evening wherever you are in the world. See you later. Bye.